How are you guys doing today? I've got a question for you. Where's your fun meter today? So cheerfulness can be affected by feeling empty, or sometimes you're feeling a little bit like things just not working out and you're not quite sure what's going to fix that and help you and going to do the trick. A lot of the times we're trying to fill our void with other things that really don't give us satisfaction. We're just being busy. So using essential oils, especially citrus oils, which I call happy oils, can really help us in our mood and gives a little bit of joy. So I'm going to give you a couple of suggestions. Tangerine essential oil, of course, is a citrus, and it's the oil of spontaneity. So you're ready to go, you're able to kind of just kick in and do some fun things and find a little bit more joy and kind of let go of some of that overwhelm that we might feel like we have with all the responsibilities of life. Maybe you've got children, maybe you've got a family, husband, whatever, but there can be a lot of different things that bombard us and kind of weigh us down. Another thing that can cause this frustration is comparing ourselves to others. We do it all the time, you know it, right? Sometimes we think somebody's better than us, or they've got this or that we don't have, or they're smarter or whatever, yada yada yada. So we got to quit that comparing. So it's always a great idea to get to the root cause of what is causing this lack of cheerfulness and what's bothering us, what's really at the root of it. So another cause can also be lack of gratitude. So, and this is very similar, because if we don't have gratitude, we aren't, if we have gratitude, we're not comparing ourselves. But if we don't have the gratitude, that's when that comparison can come in. So we box ourselves up and we just kind of put shackles on ourselves, if you will. We sometimes will stay in a comfort zone that's really not comfortable, but we think it is because that's what we're used to doing. So we need to get out of that comfort zone, kind of try some new things, and get out of that that box that we put ourselves in. Enjoy the day, enjoy the everyday things, and don't get stuck in that shoulda, woulda, coulda stuff, because that the stuff that shoulda, woulda, coulda, the things that are in the past can't be changed, and the things that are in the future, well, they're in the future. So we need to find some good in the things today. So an example, just yesterday I got a flat tire. My husband was out of town. It was a bummer, and now I have to buy a new tire and all that stuff. But I'm so grateful that it didn't happen a week ago. We were on a road trip. So I'm finding the good that has come out of that. I'm trying to recognize the blessings, and sometimes that can be a little bit hard to do. So anyway, back to the oil. So I talked a little bit about tangerine. So this helps remind us a little bit of creativity and fun, and the things that can just really help be the ticket to get us out of that blah mood that we are in, and find a little bit more cheerfulness, a little bit more optimism, and enjoy the day. So just breathing in this oil can also help just give us a boost of energy and cheer and those kind of things. You really can't smell this and not smile. I'm not kidding you. It's really true. The other oil that I really like is Cheer, which comes in a 5 ml, and it is the oil of cheerfulness. This comes in the roller bottle too. So anyway, like I said, this is the oil of cheerfulness. So this helps when we feel kind of down, heavy-hearted. Maybe we just need to be a little bit more restored and lifted. So this oil can also be used just by breathing it straight from the bottle. It's just a wonderful blend of citrus oils. Well, you can't do the roller bottle and the diffuser, but these two just are great. Like I said, breathing from the bottle or putting it in a diffuser. Both of these are citrus oils, so you have to be careful with sun sensitivity. You don't want to, have the sun kind of like burn your skin when you're wearing these citrus oils. So these oils both will help give us that mood boost, kind of lift that cloud that's over us, It helps to instill some cheer and happiness, and go figure, cheer, right? Anyway, it helps instill that a little bit of joy that we need sometimes. We don't want to stay in those funks, and it happens to all of us, no matter who we are, no matter what our circumstances. So don't compare yourself. Find gratitude in the day for things that you can find in the situation. And I know sometimes it's hard. Sometimes it really can be hard. So anyway, these are my favorite recommendations for helping to find cheerfulness in your day, or in the moment when things are just kind of a bit ho-hum. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe so you can get more videos. And don't forget to download my little free guide about managing emotions. Awesome, you have a great day.